Let's engrave this cutting board from Makerflow and turn it into a Santa cooking tray. I'll show you how to do it step by step. I'm Ashley on this chip build, so let's jump into it. Alright, so here we are on the Makerflow website, and this website is really great. They have everything you can possibly want for your crafting journey, but one of the really cool things that they have is this build a bundle option here, and you can mix and match all the different products. And so what I like to do is I like to build a laser blank bundle. That way I'm getting the best deal possible. And I typically will add some of this true flat plywood over here where they have all of their cutting boards, their coasters, all their whiskey decanters. We have our cutting boards. And so for this one, we are using the rubber wood cutting board. They are sold out at the moment, but the walnut one looks great as well. So definitely make sure you are checking this out when you are looking for blanks for your laser projects. All right, because this cutting board is thicker, we're gonna have to remove the crumb tray. So this will just slide out nice and easily. And then I'm going to put down this little sacrificial board just so it doesn't get dirty. And then we can put our cutting board in place. You want to try and get your cutting board as directly under the middle of this lens as possible because it is a fisheye lens. It's going to warp the photo and you want your design as centered as possible. I'm also going to use this 1, 2, 3 block to make sure that it's nice and level to everything. All right, and then now I can close it up. So let's head to the computer. Okay, so we are just going to refresh the bed image here so we can kind of see what's going on. And it's going to scan it. And then I'm going to set the focus. I'm going to get right in the middle as close as possible. So it's doing its focusing thing, and then this image should adjust on the screen. All right, there we go. So now we can drag in our artwork over here and try and center it up as good as possible. It's kind of hard to see. You got to click off of it sometimes. So I think I could push it to the right a little bit more and up a little bit more. Maybe to the left a little tiny bit. To me that seems pretty good. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. So let's hit ready. And this is now going to prepare our prints. Alright, this has finished and it looks amazing. I love the contrast between the bamboo cutting board and just the engraving, and I am going to use a crocodile cloth and just clean up the little bit of residue that was left over from the engraving process, just to make sure this is as clean and shiny as we can possibly get it. Man, this thing looks good, and look at how much dirt we got off of that. I love these Makerflow cutting boards because they engrave like freaking butter. I'm honestly so impressed with how good this cutting board turned out. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you like this project or if you have any questions. And don't forget that you can save up to $500 off of a Glowforge if you just follow the link in the description below. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next time.